Welcome back, guys. Today we're going to talk about the secret to advertising and how to actually market your dropshipping, Shopify store, e-commerce business, whatever you call it. So stick around. All right. So the secret is actually to understand where everyone's attention is right now. The key to success to anything is looking at what everyone is doing right now, where everyone is going, and you go the opposite direction. I mean that's how always it has been and how it will always be. People who are making the most amount of money are not people that are doing like everyone else. Think about that, right? So if everyone in the market is going short, I would go long. Anyways, where is everyone advertising right now? TikTok. It's a trend, right? Everyone wants to capitalize on this opportunity. So what's happening now? TikTok is becoming more and more competitive every single day, especially for dropshipping products, because it's a trend. Everyone's telling you go advertise on TikTok right now. You get the best CPAs, you get the best ROAS. So what everyone is literally doing right now, jumping onto TikTok, doing organic TikTok, paid ads on TikTok, scaling stores on TikTok, finding products on TikTok. So if you focus here for a while, what is everyone leaving behind? Facebook. Nobody's nobody's running ads like before on Facebook. So what does this tell us right now? There's an opportunity. If you go back to Facebook, go back to the fundamentals. Facebook is literally the best marketing platform and the strongest marketing platform on earth that ever existed, because it knows more on you than you know about yourself. Yeah, that's just a fact. Because literally everyone, every dropshipper or e-commerce brand has their attention on TikTok right now. So you go the opposite way. You're gonna see success because they're leaving these opportunities for you, right? More people living out the platform, more space for us. You can advertise pretty much the same products that you see saturated right now on TikTok. Take it, bring it back to Facebook, and see the results. It's not only Facebook. There's a ton of advertising platforms. There's TikTok, right? The main one right now, the trend. There's Facebook, the most fundamental marketing platform. There is Pinterest, there is Snapchat, there is Google Ads. If you could master one of these, like Snapchat is really underrated right now. If you could master this, you could get amazing results for e-commerce business. Even Pinterest works amazing for home decor, fashion, any inspiration kind of business, right? So think about the opportunities. Don't just look at the trend right now. Everyone, literally, I know in the dropshipping space right now is talking about TikTok. So maybe it's time to go back to the fundamentals. That's where we started in 2016. We were doing Facebook, and it's amazing. And I'm still doing Facebook until today. I'm going to show you in the next video. It will be a full case study of Facebook ads and how we're running very profitably, getting amazing cost per purchases. We're getting $10, $12 cost per purchase, things that you don't see right now on TikTok. It's just how you market your product. We're going to talk about that in a bit. I mean, you can never deny that Facebook controls at least the bare minimum 70% of all online purchases. Even the biggest brands, Amazon, is running ads on Facebook. You know, where you go on Amazon and look for something and then you leave and you find it following you around on Facebook and Instagram. That's exactly the big guys are doing, right? But now you want to think why people are actually leaving Facebook and they're going to TikTok, right? People say that they have high CPAs, right? It could be true, could be not. They have high CPMs, and all of that. I mean, you have to find a way to capitalize on this opportunity. Why do you think people have high CPAs right now on Facebook? Yeah, so we gotta find ways to solve these problems that made people leave off Facebook. Maybe they have a high CPA, but that's for a reason, right? Maybe their tracking is off. They couldn't attribute all the sales to the right ad set, so that way they cannot take any good decisions. So we can do a GA analytics. We can do other third parties like Triple Whale, right? Things like that will improve your conversions. I mean, tracking of the conversions, and in turn take better decisions when you're media buying on Facebook. What else could make the cost per acquisition high? The cost to acquire a customer on Facebook. It could be simply because of the big brands. They're throwing money on the paid ads, and they don't even care how much does it cost them. Like imagine Nike, they have a certain marketing budget that they have to spend. So, and their number one goal is to always be in front of their target audience. They don't care how much it will cost them. They have so much money. They don't really care how much will that cost me to acquire one single new customer. Even if it costs them $1,000, they're still gonna spend the same budget, probably even more, because they wanna be always in the face of their target audience, right? So how can you mitigate this? How can you combat the big companies like Nike, Adidas, and all of these guys? How can you do that? There's a few things that we can do. One is to have our product unique. We don't want to be selling a product that is very generic that you can find in any traditional brand or online store like Nike or Adidas. Something unique. And it's not only that, it could be the same product or a different version, but the way you angle it, the way you market it, is completely different and tailored to a very specific group of people. So this puts you in a position that you're the only one selling this product for this audience, right? It's supply and demand, guys. You have to think about it as supply and demand. If there is a demand for this product and you're fulfilling that, you're angling your marketing to a specific target audience, and your message is talking to them directly. These guys will choose you over the big brands because you are talking to them directly. That's what makes the difference, right? So you have to really rethink your marketing when it comes to Facebook ads. You have to think about your content, your angling. How are you positioning your product as a solution to a certain problem that this target audience has? So for them, you're the only solution, or you're the best solution out there in front of their eyes right now. So they're gonna buy your product because it's the solution that they need to fix the problem they're facing right now with this issue, right? So that's literally how you make the most amount of money with advertising. If you know how to capitalize on such opportunities, people are leaving Facebook, going to TikTok. It's a trend. You go back to Facebook, master your marketing on Facebook, and see the results. All right, so we'll end it there, and I'll see you in the next video.